In this video, I will be showing you how to install Grok AI on Windows 10. Let's get started. First, I start by opening my Google Chrome browser. I click on the search bar right in the middle of the page and type in Grok. Then, I press enter to start the search. Once the search results load, I look for the main entry that says Grok, which links directly to grok.com. I click on that link to open up the official website. Now that the web page is loading, I see the clean minimalist Grok home interface. To make this look and act like a desktop application on my Windows 10 computer, I need to navigate to the browser options. I move my mouse cursor up to the top right corner of the screen and click on the 3 vertical dots to open up the Chrome menu. From this drop-down list, I locate the option labeled Cast, Save, and Share and hover over it. This opens a secondary menu right beside it, where I find and click on the choice that says Open in Grok. As soon as I click that, a fresh, dedicated window launches, turning the web page into a native-feeling app environment. Now I am inside the standalone Grok app interface, and I can see the central text prompt area that reads what's on your mind. I click directly into this prompt field to test it out. I type a realistic sample query to see how it runs. What are the warning signs of online scams? Give examples and tips on how to avoid them. After typing out the complete message, I move over to the right side of the box and click on the arrow upload icon to submit my question. The app creates a new conversation panel and immediately begins generating a highly detailed response. It reads working for ones, then working for twos, showing me the real-time search queries it is running in the background to gather fresh data, such as looking up common online scams and phishing tips. I can scroll down manually to review the fully comprehensive results. The layout displays everything beautifully, including examples of common online scams like phishing, romance scams, investment or crypto schemes, online shopping traps, employment scams, and recovery scams. Further down, it populates a clean section of tips to avoid online scams, detailing actions like pausing and verifying, protecting your information, conducting independent research, and verifying payment safety. It even includes instructions on what to do if you have been scammed. Everything is running perfectly within this smooth, custom Windows application frame, giving me quick and efficient desktop access to Grok AI whenever I need it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.